Welcome to Oceans of Possibilities summer reading for the week of July 24th, 2022 for the elementary age group, Part 1. I Am the Shark, written by Joan Holub, illustrated by Lori Keller. Hey there, my name is Great White Shark. I am the greatest shark in this book. No, you're not. I am Whale Shark. I am the greatest shark in this book because I'm the biggest. I'm as big as a school bus. I'm the biggest fish on earth. I'm so big I don't even fit on this page. Compared to me, you are small. Interesting theory, but being small is great too. It means I can swim through spaces where you won't fit. Plus, I don't have to eat as much as you. Saves me time on hunting. Hooray! I'm the smallest shark in this book. No, you're not. I'm the smallest. I'm only as big as a person's hand. Dwarf Lantern Shark is my name. Small and glowing, that's me. I can fit through even smaller spaces than you. I'm thinking that a tiny shark like you probably has a tiny brain. I'm smart and curious. Maybe I'm the smartest shark in this book. Or maybe you're not. I'm Hammerhead Shark. I've got a large brain between these eyes on both ends of my hammer-shaped head, and while I'm thinking smart thoughts, I can see up, down, and all around. I've got a better view of the ocean than any other shark. Whoa, how can I top that? Top? Hey, that's it. I have a gray top, or back. Unsuspecting prey above me don't even notice me against the dark-colored water below me until... Chomp! Yet my tummy is white, so to prey looking up from below me, I blend in with the lighter sky above. This is called countershading, and it makes me the sneakiest shark in this book. No, you're not. Who said that? Dunno. Huh? Not sure. Surprise! I am Angel Shark. Camouflage makes me the sneakiest shark in this book. My back is covered with spots, so when I hid under the sand just now, I looked just like part of the ocean floor. Then, woohoo! Ambush! Crumbs. Guess I'm not the sneakiest after all. Wait, I know. I'm great at finding prey like seals, sea lions, and small whales. I must be the best hunter in this book. Nuh-uh. I'm as good a hunter as you, maybe better. I am Tiger Shark. I hunt animals like seals and squid, but there's a reason they call me the garbage can of the ocean. It's because I gobble up other stuff, too. One time I ate a clock and a car tire. True story. It's better for the environment if garbage doesn't ever wind up in the oceans, though. This being one-upped is getting old. Old? That reminds me, I've been in this book since the very first page, so I must be the oldest shark in this book. No, you're not. I am Greenland Shark, and I am 400 years old. No other animal with vertebrae, a backbone or a spine, can live longer than that. You are definitely younger than me. Okay, moving on. Let's see, I've got fins like a fish. Maybe I'm the fishiest shark in this book. But all sharks are fish, and we all have fins. Good point. Still, I'm the great white shark, so I've got to be the greatest at something, right? Let's review some shark facts. Maybe it'll help me figure out the greatest thing about me. Here goes. But first, a little diagram of me, the great white shark. Not all sharks have these same body parts. Dorsal fins for balancing and turning. Lateral line, tubes under my skin along both sides of my body that detect the movements of prey in the water. Caudal fin, this fin pushes me forward, which is super important. Anal fin gives extra stability. 2 pelvic fins for stability so I don't roll over and help me to stop. 2 pectoral fins to stay afloat and steer. Spiracle, a breathing opening. Gills pull oxygen from the water for breathing. Ampullae of Lorenzini, a system of jelly-filled pores on my head that detect electrical fields caused by movements in the water. Snout, nostrils for smelling. Pit organs located on my back, side, and jaw. These detect water currents that might lead me to prey. Now for some fantastic shark facts. Sharks are fish. Most fish have bones, but sharks don't. Our skeletons are made of cartilage like people's ears. It bends so we can twist, turn, and swim fast. It's lightweight to help us float. Sharks and people have 5 senses: hearing, smell, touch, sight, and taste. Sharks also have these: ampullae of Lorenzini, lateral line, and pit organs, which help detect electric and magnetic fields, temperature changes, or even ocean currents. Sharks have fins that act as paddles. Tilting a fin helps us to change direction, move up, down, or forward, or move slower or faster. Some sharks, like the great white, must keep swimming to breathe underwater. Water flows into our open mouths as we swim. Our bodies pull oxygen from the water as it flows back out of us through slits in our sides called gills. Female sharks are usually bigger than male sharks. We have lots of teeth in rows. If a tooth falls out, no problem. Another one moves forward to take its place. Some baby sharks hatch from eggs, but many sharks' moms give birth to live young sharks called pups. Newborn shark pups can swim right away. Sharks are covered with tiny scales called denticles that protect us like knight's armor. Our skin feels smooth when stroked from head to tail, but like sandpaper when stroked in the opposite direction. Sharks have lived on Earth since before the dinosaurs. Most sharks are meat eaters called carnivores. We are amazing hunters, predators, the top of the food chain. We hunt and eat other animals called prey, such as fish or seals. Some sharks eat plants and tiny animals called plankton. Speaking of food, I've got a feeling. Starting line. Snack alert. Let's go. Race you. Whoever gets there first wins the prey. On your mark, get set, go. Woohoo! I'm faster than those other sharks. I'm way ahead. I'm going 35 miles per hour. I am the fastest swimmer in this book. 1/3 mile or more away. I smell you, snacks. 800 feet away. I hear you. Snack attack. 30 to 50 feet away. I see you. Any minute now. Pray ahead. Whoosh. Huh? Who is that? I'm Mako, the fastest shark in this book. I've been clocked swimming 46 miles per hour. I win the prey. Hooray! All the other sharks in this book are better than me. Could it be that I'm not the greatest? Maybe I should change my name to Just Okay White Shark or Not So Great White Shark. Dude, there's always going to be someone that's bigger, smaller, glowier, smarter, sneakier, older, faster, or whatever. Just be happy being you. Happy? That's it. Everyone loves my big, bright smile. They take my picture wherever I go. I mean, who else do you know with 300 jagged, triangle-shaped, 2-inch long pearly whites? It's awesome to be me. Beware sharks. I have the greatest smile in this book. There are about 500 species or kinds of sharks around the world. Most sharks live in saltwater oceans, but some of us like freshwater or non-salty rivers. Our eating habits help keep oceans healthy by balancing how many and what kinds of creatures live there. Great white shark, toothiest, aka Jaws. I'm named for my white tummy. I have the strongest bite of any shark. Unlike most sharks, I'm warm-blooded, so I can control my body temperature when I visit cool and warm waters. I'm 15 to 20 feet long. Angel shark, sneakiest. I'm flat with wing-like fins that make me look like a stingray. Unlike some sharks, I don't have to keep swimming to breathe. My cheek muscles and spiracles can pump oxygen-rich water that exists throughout my gill slits. I'm about 6 feet long. Mako shark, fastest. I'm shiny, like blue metal. I'm really good at leaping out of the water. That's called breaching. There are 2 kinds of Makos, long fin and short fin. I'm a short fin. I'm about 10 feet long. Hammerhead shark, brainiest. I got my name because my head is shaped like a hammer. The location of my eyes lets me see in every direction, except right in front of my nose. I can measure up to 20 feet long. Whale shark, biggest. Most of the biggest sharks, like me, are filter feeders. My mouth is almost 5 feet wide. I swim with it open to let meals of small fish and tiny plants float inside. I'm about 30 to 40 feet long. Dwarf lantern shark. Smallest. I'm bioluminescent. That means my body can change chemical energy into light energy that makes my fins and tummy glow. This helps me find food in the deep, dark ocean. I'm about 7 inches long. Greenland shark, oldest. I swim very slowly, less than 1 mile per hour. I live in the cold Arctic near the top of the world and can dive deep, about 7,000 feet. I grow up to 23 feet long. Tiger shark, aka garbage can. I have dark stripes like a tiger. I'm one of the most dangerous sharks, second to great whites. Shark attacks on people are very rare, though I'm 10 to 14 feet long. Bear shark, furriest. I'm a shark too. No, you're not. Wait, what? Excuse me, but sharks do not have fur or claws, so you are not a shark. You seem cool and all, but you're a bear, obviously, and a bear does not belong in a shark book. Great points. I know. I'll go find my own book to star in. I will call it I Am the Bear. I'll be the only bear inside it. It'll be all about me, 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 only me. Awesome possum. Later, sharks. Here's a list of more books to sink your teeth into. Both short ones, long ones, and links. By the way, don't swim too close to sharks. We can be dangerous, but we're helpful too. Our hunting skills help keep the oceans healthy. Still, we face problems like water pollution and getting caught in fishing nets. You can help by telling others how important we are to the Earth's oceans. Thanks, you're great. The end. We're going to make a newspaper shark, and what you'll need for this is a glue stick and your craft kit. So your craft to go kit includes a blue piece of paper, which is folded in half. I'm going to unfold it. A newspaper shark. Believe me, this is a shark. A big mouth. A bunch of little teeth. 2 googly eyeballs. My favorite. And some water. And all we got to do is glue all this together and we'll have ourselves a shark. So the first thing I would do is turn it upside down. You decide which side you want it. I like it with mostly newsprint and not any pictures. But if you like it the other way, that's your choice. It's your shark. So I'm going to put a bunch of glue on the back of this. And I'm going to stick it here so it's in line with the bottom of my blue paper for the most part. Smooth it on out. Once again, if some of it comes out like this just did, remember it dries clear. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is put the mouth on. No. The next thing I'm going to do is put the mouth on. Need more glue. Okay. Line that up right about there. See that. Then I will put my water across the bottom. You can make your own water if you want. I just printed these out because it just seemed easier to cut out than the others. So there's the waves, and it goes right on the bottom. So here's his mouth, and we're going to give him some teeth. So you just glue them one at a time, however you'd like them. And I'm gonna go ahead and pause it because you don't do it on top of the paper, even though it'll dry clear. It's just not a good idea. I'm just gonna glue these all on. You can, I'm gonna pause it and then I will show you what it looks like. All right, that's how my shark looks. The only thing I need to do now is to glue on the eyes. And we'll put some glue on the back of the eyeballs. I'm gonna put one there. One right next to it. Googly eyes. And that's it. That is my shark. My newsprint shark.